This is going to be a quick video to show you how to complete your total participation plan. TPP is for high school and middle school chapters. The pricing includes student and professional membership as well as educational resource material. A single school or multiple schools from the same district or state can be on the same plan. You must register at least 25 students per school on your plan to be eligible for a total participation plan. One professional member for every 100 student members is also required. You will see a formula on your screen that will give you the total cost of a total participation plan. For example, if you registered 99 students, the cost for all 99 students membership is $445. You would then add in the amount of educational resources, which would be $5.95 times 99 students. Then you would move on to the professional affiliation portion of the formula. This will be $30 times the number of professionals. You have a minimum of one professional for every 100 students. Once you have calculated each section of the formula, you will then add them all together to get your total cost. Once you're ready to complete your plan, you'll want to go to register.skillsusa.org. You'll want to log in using the login box, and if you do not have a login, you'll want to choose Create Login. You will need admin access to be associated with your account, so if you do not have that, you'll want to reach out to customer care to assist you with getting that put on your account. Once you log in, your page will look like this. You should have the option to choose membership at the top, and then choose TPP/campus affiliation. This will take you to a page that looks like this. You will have the option to review the TPP pricing and deadlines here, and you will also either have the option to clone your agreement from the previous year or create a new affiliation. If you have the option to clone your agreement from the previous year, always choose that option. As that does not clone the members from the previous year, it only clones the contact information and the schools that may have been on your affiliation plan. For the purpose of this video, I will create a new affiliation. We will choose yes, I want to confirm that I want to associate my school's membership through an affiliation plan, and then I will choose Create New Affiliation. This will take you to a page that looks like this. You should have the option to choose Edit, Contact, and Billing. Once you select the Edit option, you will have the option to enter in all of the contact information you would like associated with your total participation plan. This includes also the billing information, and you can enter the purchase order number and the purchase order file associated with your total participation plan if required. You'll then want to choose the Save option. The next step will be to enter in the number of estimated students and professionals that you will be joining on your total participation plan. To do that, you'll choose the Edit button to the far right of that school. Then we will type in the number of estimated students and the number of estimated professionals. And then the last thing is to choose the word Update. If you would like to add more schools, this is where you will do that. Down at the bottom, there is a drop-down you will select, and you will choose the school you want to add to your total participation plan. You will then choose Add School. A second school will show up on your chart, and you will repeat the same process of adding estimated students and professionals to that school. It is important to note that your school must also have 25 students at least in each school to be eligible for the total participation plan. Once your estimates have been entered, you will choose the Review Fees button above the chart you are working on. You will then be taken to a page that looks like this. You will have an amount, for example, $1,487.50, to allocate into the 4 resource options. This number comes from the main number of students that you registered, which is 250 for this example, times the $5.95 for the educational resources. You can allocate the money into all 4 categories or just one, as you see here in this example. Please note, if you allocate anything into Educational Resource Catalog, these items must be mailed to you and will have a shipping fee of 10%. Once you have allocated your money into the resource box and chosen the Recalculate button, you will see a 0 for the dollar amount you still need to order. Once you see this, You will now be able to submit for approval. You will then be able to also preview your agreement via a PDF. If you would like, you can also print this page for a price quote. If you need invoice professionals separately, you can check this box as well before submitting. Once you have completed and submitted the TPP plan for approval, you will want to send your database sheet with member names to your state association director. The state director will register your members on the Skills USA registration website for you. If you have any questions in completing your plan, please reach out to our customer care team.